We live. Let's see. Yes, we are live. Okay. So hello everyone, and welcome back to my stream. So we have completed the backend of the social media application. So and we have started the front end, and I'll continue that today. Okay, just a sec. Yeah, fine. As usual, I created the login and sign up page. I think cd front here npm run dev cd front end npm run dev npm run dev slash register. Okay, so first I'll use validation. Just a sec. Pages, register page, user, register user account. Fine. Chat GPT. For UI, I think you can code faster. Okay, register user form. This is my front end code, front end React JS code. Just I'll create constants first. I'll front end src assets. I'll create utils. I'll create a constants tsx file, ts file. This will be a simple ts file. Rename it will be ts file. Okay, do I have, yeah, I'll say Pheronix1302. Hi Pheronix, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? How was your day? Yeah, my day was fine. Today in during day I was learning Stack, Postgres, Express, React, and Node.js. Then I went to gym, and now I'm working on the front end of this project. How to set .env in React. Yes. Okay, I have to read the documentation. React, React. Now there, see environment variables. Okay, some built-in constants are variable. Okay, then I have to use it. Import.meta.env.read some key. Fine. Okay, so I'll just backend URL. Just to say, what is my backend? CD backend loop infinity 1. Hello loop infinity 1, welcome back to my stream, brother. CD backend, I'll run my backend npm run dev. I'll see the 4000. Okay, I'll see http local host 4000/API/v1. Fine. Okay, this is my backend URL. I'll import this. Const backend URL equals How do I use it? Import dot meta. Okay, I'll just do import dot meta dot env dot. I'll use backend URL. Use backend URL. Declare but never read. I'll export it. Export. Fine. I'll just export it so that I don't have to, use it every single time. This is done. Okay, and in backend I've made localhost 5173. Just a minute. Okay, this is done. This is done. Now I'll come here. This is my front-end React.js code. Okay, I'll just set the code src set here. Pheronix 1302. Pheronix 1302. 2 or 3 day I'm coming in your stream, just talk cause I don't have too much friends, so I came to talk and get some knowledge too. Yeah, Pheronix, welcome to my stream, brother. You can always send messages and we can talk. I'm here. Go ahead and say like we can talk as friends. Yeah. Kiran Vadhel 08R. भाई भाई आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट रन करके दिखाओ ना, ब्राउज़र पर कितना प्रोग्रेस हुआ क्या क्या फंक्शनैलिटीज़ है देखना है। मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट फेरोनिक्स बैकएंड तो बन गया है, अभी फ्रंट एंड में मैंने ये रजिस्टर पेज बनाया है और लॉगिन पेज बनाया है, तो अब इसमें हम लोग वैलिडेशन लगाएंगे एंड देन इसको बैकएंड से कनेक्ट करेंगे। ओके Next 1302. Any tips to learn fast in full potential? Uh, First, you have to understand the basics and you have to create a CRUD application on your own without any help from AI. Once you do that, then you can, like take help from AI. Like if you don't, after you build basic to-do application, then you can take help from AI, because then what response AI will send, now you will able to understand the code. So that is why first build a basic to-do application using any tech stack like MERN stack if you are interested. Then after you build a simple to-do application, then go to chat GPT, tell them that like I want to build this and teach me. Then that GPT will teach you. Like that is the fastest way that I know. किरण वधेल 08R, बट आई थिंक आपने जो दिखाया है वो रिस्पॉन्सिव नहीं है। एक बार इंस्पेक्ट में, हाँ आई नो दैट इट इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिव। एक बार ये बेसिक बैकेंड के साथ कनेक्शन बना के एंड एक बार एपीआई कॉल फ्रंट एंड टू बैकेंड होने लग जाए, देन आई विल मेक इट रिस्पॉन्सिव। हाँ किरण वधेल, आई नो इट इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिव, इट को लाइक आई विल कनेक्ट इट विथ बैकेंड, then like basic setup is done, then I'll make this responsive. Okay, so this is done. This is my main.tsx, then this is my app.tsx, app.tsx, this is my app.tsx, then this is my pages pages slash register page dot tsx, register page, then src slash page. I've written src, no, okay fine, we can skip src pages slash login page dot tsx. This is my login page. I'll copy this login, then I'll create components slash login form dot tsx, then components slash register user form dot tsx. Just 1 sec. I'll copy this. This is my register user form. This is my copy it, paste it. Okay. Kiran Vadel 08R. Okay, nice. Yeah. Pheronix 1302. Difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay. See, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. This is the first thing you should understand. See, in JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. We don't have to define data types when we create a variable, or we don't have to define any data types in JavaScript, right? So this caused a lot of error during runtime. After we deploy the code in the production, there was some bugs because of this, because it is dynamically typed, right? So to solve this problem, they developed TypeScript. So TypeScript is just like JavaScript only, but the difference is that we create types. We use data types in TypeScript, but everything other than that is same. It's just like JavaScript. Okay, this is clean watch, good pages, layer clean separation. Real issues should be fixed. Uh, okay. Okay, strict mode should be above. Okay, main.tsx. This one and this one. Okay, this should be like this. Let's just see everything is fine. Okay, now let's make this. Where is it? Okay, yeah, done. Okay, now I'll go here. First, I want to add React hook form, I think. React hook form. Yeah, this one. I want to add form validation with React hook form. Install. Okay, React hook form, then it is updated. I'll type form data, then say form state, use form data, submit. See now, like when I'm, if anybody, if you guys are watching, you can see that how I'm using ChatGPT. I ask this, then I'm trying to understand the code, then I'll do it myself. Why your room is dark? Do you live alone or with family? I live with my family. My room is dark because like I like to keep it this way during night. Just dark room, no distractions. Just direct code. That's it. I like dark atmosphere. Okay, so this. Okay, then after this, register color, register form data. Then on submit, I'll create a function data register form data. Okay, I'll send this. Then okay, okay. And username input required this. Okay, then this input errors dot user. Okay, fine. Then error. Then email. Okay. Just a sec. I also want to. Should I use odd? Yes, I also want to. Just. I need your advice. Should I just use React form hook, or I should use Zod use Zod as well? Use Zod as well, but only if you're building a real app. You are okay. Not recommended. Let's use Zod as well. Okay. Okay. Use React hook form with Zod. You are Kiss. Welcome back to my stream, brother. Did you use free chat GPT? Yes, I used free chat GPT plan. Pheronix 1302. PC specs is a 16 GB RAM, Core i5, then Intel Iris X graphics, and model is HP laptop FX. That's it. Okay. Now required packages. Create Zod schema. Very important. Okay, I'll create a schemas folder. I'll go here. src. I'll create schemas folder. Create schema. Same like backend only. Zod logic is same. Oh, okay, not like backend. I'm not using backend. Okay, fine. What model of GPT? GPT, I think it is GPT Go. GPT. How to check the model? Okay. I think it is the default model that GPT gives. I don't remember the model number. Simple model. I am not paid anything. Like I'm using free plan till now. Okay, updated user form. Fine. A login user form. Okay. Let's install this. So what I have to do, I'll not copy. In npm install front end. This is my front end. I'll just stop it. Clear. npm install react hook form zod hook form slash resolvers resolvers. I'll install this. Type which model I'm using in ChatGPT. New chat. Which model am I using in chat GPT? We are currently using GPT 5.2. It is GPT 5.2. Okay. Fine. I'll go here. Installed. Then clear npm run dev. So npm run dev. Just I'll close everything. After this, I create Zod schema. Very important. Auth schema. Login schema. Okay, fine. I'll go to schemas. I'll create auth.schema.ts. I'll go here. I'll create auth.schema.ts. Import z from just a sec. Import z from Zod. Export const register user schema equals z dot object your case treb edit mobile html editor. मुझे न्यू नेम चाहिए कैसे ढूंढूं what new name treb edit mobile html editor. I did not understand that reference. योर किस नेम निकालना बहुत मुश्किल है एआई वी रिपीटेड सजेशन दे रहा है मोबाइल एच टी एम एल ओके ट्रैब एडिट मोबाइल एच टी एम एल एडिटर like it is the name of your application that you are building. Okay, z dot object have username z dot string username is required dot minimum of 3 minimum of yeah 3 is fine. User name must be at least 3 characters. Fine. Then email z dot email dot email dot string dot email dot string dot then just use dot email. I told you email. I can type the message invalid email address. Then we have the password z dot string then dot min 6 characters, then password must be at least 6 characters password, then profile picture z dot instance of file list. Okay, instead of file list, then we'll have just a sec, file list dot define. I'll pass the argument file dot length equals to 1, profile picture is required. I'll pass this, just a sec. मैं खुद का ऐप बना रहा हूँ and I am not getting idea or new names. What should I do? See, before you complete the application, don't think about name. See, what I have done is that I was not coming up with a name, so I created a random name, Connect Hub. Like, just give a random name for now, and keep the app name in a .env file. Then after the application is complete, you can research about the name. You can also use Pheronix 1302. You can also use Claude AI. It's also good. Yeah, I know Claude is also good, but yeah, I can do it. But I use Chat GPT almost every day now, going to Claude and everything. Like, if GPT is not able to solve a problem, I'll go to Claude. Akshay Agarwal, pump code. More power to you, bro. Keep growing. Akshay Agarwal, pump code. Hi, brother. Welcome to my stream. Thanks for kind words. It really means a lot. Where are you from? And are you a coder as well? Akshay Agarwal, pump code. Profile picture is required. Just a second. Profile picture is required. Export. This is my. This one. If I go to just username or email, I'll just a second. So, username or email. Enter your username. Where is it? Folder. Enter your username or email. Enter your password. Enter your password. Okay. Now schema export const login user schema equals z dot object. I'll have I have to update few things here. This is my login form. This is my where is it? components slash login user form.tsx form.tsx. This is my register user form components slash register user form.tsx. This is my schema slash auth dot schema.ts. Here are some information for you. Number one, profile picture is optional for register user form. Number two, user can log in with username or email. किरण वधेल 08R, आपका प्रोजेक्ट किस पर है क्या करेगा आपका वेब ऐप, क्या फंक्शनलिटीज़ है इसकी? और ये एक सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन है, फुल स्टैक सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन, मर्न स्टैक और टाइपस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करके. Your case, I'm already published 3 apps and 1 game in Play Store, but name finding too problematic. Use AI, like, use some catchy names. You are a case, like, if you have been publishing apps and all, we can connect. Like, I'll like to connect with you if you are building applications and trying to build your own thing. We can connect on Instagram if you want. Pheronix 1302. What's the name of app? Your case, okay. Priyanshu Mehla. Hello, brother. Hello, Priyanshu Mehla. TG780. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Optional refine files. Optional files. There are no files or files dot length equal 1. Only one profile picture is allowed. You want this login. After this, export const login user schema z dot object. Priyanshu Mehla TG7H0 7HO. What do you see when you close your eyes? Bro, why are you using pickup lines on me? Like, it is funny. Fire z dot string dot min one user name or email is required identifier, then password z dot string dot min one password is required, then here export type, export type, register user form data equals z dot infer type of registered user schema. Same this. Okay, here we can do login user form data. Login user form data, login user schema. Done. Login user schema done. Update the login user form. Update login user form. So user form. Fine. Okay, so this is done. Now I can come to login user form. By the way, Priyanshu Mehla TG780, I know this pickup line. Uh, like I see nothing, and then the other person says that that's my world without you, nothing. I know this one. I know this pickup line. Well, login user schema. Use form. Use form from React form. Import Zod resolver. Login user schema. Login user form data. This is done. Using where state use form. Okay, so here we'll go const register comma handle submit comma form state errors comma equals to use form type, use form of type login user form data, I think. Yeah, of type login user form data, login user form data, and here we'll pass resolver, pass zod resolver login user schema. Fine. Well, when you login user form, what is the issue? Login user type must be imported using type only. Import when is enabled. Just a sec. अंशु महिला TG780 ब्रो ब्रेकअप के बाद कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता क्या करूं bro I can understand but you know like breakups these things happen fine don't let it affect you if you don't like if someone broke your heart understand that and move on करने का बहुत तरीके होते हैं you can keep yourself busy you know keep yourself busy obviously flirt but don't get attached as simple as that. Not Shivam 16. Yo, what's up? Hi Shivam, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Your guest. ब्रेकअप के बाद प्रियांशु महिला शादी कर लो घर वालों को बोलकर ओह स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक new function on submit function. On submit data of types login user form data. Login user form data here console dot log data, console dot log data. Then I'm returning this on submit form has an on submit function. On submit a function will be called which is on submit function. On submit handle submit, just a sec, handle submit. Inside this I'll submit on submit. Fine. And button should have a type of type submit. Fine. Pheronix 7 फैमिली स्ट्रीम नहीं देखते क्या? फैमिली स्ट्रीम क्या है? 9 a.m. games. Yo, what's cooking? Hi 9 a.m. games. Welcome back to my channel, brother. How are you? Nothing today. We are working on, first I'm doing the front end of register page and login page. Currently, I'm working on validation and React hook form. This, then after this, class, inside we'll use this text. Inside input, just use dot dot register. Have identifier. 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 Then after this input, this error, we have to show this error part. Errors dot identifier, and just use, I'll just show, for now I'll just show this errors dot identifier dot message. I'll just give it a style, class name text red 400. That you finished yesterday only. Yes, yesterday I built the UI, but nothing is happening if I'm registering, right? We just build the static UI. But right now, first I'm using the form validations, and after this, I'll try to send this data to my backend. That's what I'm trying to do. Pheronix 7, do you use Tailwind? Yes, I'm using Tailwind in this application. 9 games, Pheronix, yes, it's all Tailwind. Yes, brother. Okay, this is done. Functionality. Yes, today I'm trying to complete the login. Like the login and register data can go from my front end to my backend. Till now we were using Postman, right? But now I'll try to send data from my front end to my backend. Okay, this is done. Identify. Just why, yeah, this scroll wala thing came. Wait, I'll fix it. Okay. Just a sec. I can make the app here. Slash bg color. We can give class name bg. I'm using black. Use Axios or regular fetch. I'll use Axios. 9 a.m. games. Login user form. This is done. name, npm run dev. What happened? Localhost 5173. What is wrong here? Wait, I'll just uncomment. I'll just comment these lines. And here, comment these lines. I'll comment this line. I'll just comment this line. I'll comment this entire part. What happened here? Why is it not running? What the fuck? 7 ब्रो एक बार रजिस्टर टेक्स्ट कलर वाइट करके देखो देखना अच्छा लगे तो हाँ आई ट्राई जस्ट 1 minute आई एम हैविंग सम errors here I'll just solve it just 1 sec I'll remove this lines what is wrong why is my page here I'll go to register page yeah go to register page I'll go to login page just 1 minute login user form I'll again uncomment all this I'll uncomment all this part okay I'll uncomment this is an issue I'll solve schema where's my schema what schema this one schema 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 login form login form export login is a form that is a type and must be imported using type only import when modules entirely enabled okay so I'm having issues with this one I think this line here again okay yeah I was having issue with that one fine I'll comment this I'll uncomment this uncomment it uncomment this one uncomment this part now I'll call this one this I'll come here this is my login user form dot tsx I am getting this error this one I'll copy paste then this one do you mean login any issues now issue is still there just this data login user form data okay just this error I'm getting right so I'll send it and see do you have enabled tsconfig.json type fix use type only import okay important correct way okay I can use this one copy this I'll remove this from here and come here this any issues now yeah no issues now if I log in yeah see so we can do this yeah bro एक बार register text color white करके देखना अच्छा लगे तो ठीक है I'll do this register form are you talking about which text this one this button do inspect that's more easy to identify bugs yeah 9 a.m. games you are too fast like I'm trying to complete this app should I slow down or show mercy on keyboard yeah I'll try okay welcome here already oh yeah this one password is also same logic where is it Phoenix So Pharonix is saying to make this text white. Let's see. Uh, White. Let's make it white. Oh, not here. Yeah, in register only was saying. This one. Just the text, right? Okay. Bro, but I said text color white. Text color white. Here I'll go text. Text should be white. According to Pharonix. Let's see. Is it looking good? Any, not BG only text color white. Yeah, I did text color white. Now, uh, what's your opinion, guys? The people, those who are watching, this is looking better or previous one was looking better? This one now login user form here also same thing. In input here first I'll do dot register register password register password. Then after this is done, I'll just copy this line. After this I'll come here and I'll say password here. Password password here it will be password. Password is required. Let's see test user1 at the rate gmail.com. Again, if I say this is here I'll go. I'll just say test user1. I'll say see this is correct. If I'm not sending this and I'm sending this, yeah, correct. Fine. So this is done. This validation is done. Okay. Now you have to thin text, not BG only text color white. Now you have to thin text. Width is too much for white. It's bold. Okay, let's see. Register user. Let's remove text font bold. Let's remove this font bold. I go to yeah. This looking better with white? It's bold. Okay, so this is done. Now this is my register user form. Again, same logic. Yeah, now I can do it. First, I'll import these things. Use form. These things I'll copy. I'll come here. Browser. Instead of login user form, register user. Register user schema. Register user schema. Login. It will register user form data. Register user form data. Here I'll create. Here I will create. Here I will create these things. Just a sec. There we go. Const register handle submit form state errors equals use form register user form data. I think register user form data. Oh, 9 AM games. No, I'm just saying if you want to keep it white, then font thin is better than bold. Okay. Actually, I like it black only. I'm not liking white, to be honest. Let's see with and it should. I can make it semi bold maybe. Semi bold. Semi bold. Just a sec. Font semi bold. Yeah, this is fine. Private 93600, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम प्राइवेट 93600. भाई कोई प्रोजेक्ट सजेस्ट करो जिसमें मर्न के कॉन्फिडेंस आए. अभी कुछ भी खुद से नहीं बनाया जाता. नहीं. ओके. क्रिएट अ मर्न स्टैक टू डू ऐप विथ ऑथेंटिकेशन. एक टू डू ऐप बनाओ, उसमें ऑथेंटिकेशन डालो, डेटाबेस कनेक्ट करो. टू डूज की कैटेगरीज होनी चाहिए, कैटेगरीज के अंदर काफ़ी सारे टू डूज होने चाहिए और यूज़र के टू डूज होने चाहिए. सिंपल. 9 memes. For black, bold is perfect. Yeah, I was also thinking the same thing. For black, bold is perfect. See, I want to keep the entire application theme like this. Username or email is required. Okay. Now here, we'll go here, have form state. Then I'll create const on submit handle on submit function on submit. Submit. Just a second. Is it on submit? Form state. Here we pass few things. As a user, I pass the resolver. I pass Zod resolver, and I pass register user schema. Register user schema. Then const on submit. I'll pass the data. Pass the data as register user form data, and I'll do console dot log data. Console.log data. Profile picture 0, maybe undefined. Let's see. On submit. Form on submit. It should be handle submit, and we'll pass on submit this one. और suggest कर दो. Bro, in my opinion, if जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी मैं सीखता हूँ ना, जैसे अभी मैं पॉन्ट स्टैक सीख रहा हूँ, पोस्टग्रेस, एक्सप्रेस, रिएक्ट, नोड जेएस. तो मैं भी सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले टू डू ही बनाता हूँ. देखो अभी मेरा टू डू का काम चल रहा है, सो आई थिंक टू डू इज़ द बेस्ट एप्लीकेशन. वो करो, काफ़ी सिंपल भी है, उसमें ज़्यादा कम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं है. उसमें तुम्हारा इफ़ यू कैन क्रिएट ए टू डू ऑन योर ओन ना, देन you will get the confidence. See, I'm creating this updated 9 hours ago. Pern Prisma note making application. I'm simple to do only. Try to build a to do on your own. कुछ और suggest कर दो. Yeah, okay. 9 a.m. overflow hidden is not working. I don't know. It was working, but just a sec. See, it's now this form here. Register user form. Register page. Register page. See, I did overflow hidden here in my register page. Still this one is showing. I'll solve it first. Let's like do this one. Input. I'll do this one here. You will go dot register register username. Just a sec. Username, email, password. Register username. This one. If I'll just copy this one here. I'll copy this one here. I'll copy this. I'll come here. After this, I'll just put it here. This will be username. Then here also it will be username. On body give overflow hidden. Maybe this will work. Okay, just a minute. This one, create your own username for. Okay. Here on my register type it will be button type should be submit. Should be submit. Just check. Yeah, username must be at least 3 characters. Fine, this is working. We have given overflow on container, right, and not on body. See, in my register user page, this is a page, I have given it here. Maybe you are saying that on body it means, uh, just a minute. On body, where should I? In the app. But in the app, later on, when post will come, I do need the overflow. Name game. Sure, sure. Yeah, I'll look into this just in a while. Email, same logic. Email type, input type. This one. Do. Oh, dot. Register. I will pass register. What should I pass? Register. Pass email. Register page. What? Auth schema. Email only. Register. Email string. Email. Now we'll pass this one here. After this we'll pass this one. Errors dot email. Here it will be errors dot email. Go here. I say invalid email address, correct? uh, After this, what will I do? Password. After this I'll pass type dot register password. This one. This is happening. Just a sec. But then what is happening? Register page, H screen, app. Where is my app? Let's put app div. Let's make it div class name height screen. Let's see what is happening. Still getting this black. Okay, what? Just a minute. Main.tsx. This is my main.tsx. With this, because of this thing. Fine. Register. This is happening. Now this. Bro, Phoenix 7. Bro, DSA Karu ya MERN stack first year. See, first year you can start learning MERN stack and don't do like या तो ये करो या वो करो. You can do both. Like MERN stack को 2 घंटा दो, DSA को 1 घंटा दो. ऐसे करके करो हर दिन. Be consistent दोनों में. 9 a.m. games. Okay, in global CSS, give overflow hidden on body or mitigate the margin or padding, whatever is given. Okay, I'll do this. One SH669 recorded live. Bro, it's live. ISS one ish 669. Welcome to my stream, brother. Yeah, it's live. Where are you from? This is done. CSS index.css app.index app.css. Everything is zero only. Let's just do one thing. In my app also I'll do m0 e0. Nothing happening. Okay, fine. I have to use little bit of my head. Here we go. Login. Haha, Vansh from Rajasthan. Hello Vansh, welcome to my stream, brother. Login. Form just this. Then for profile picture, anything is required. profile picture. But in backend, I think I'm calling it profile image. I'll just check. MERN, social media application, users, register user. I'm calling it profile image. So let's just call it profile image. Profile image. I'll go here. I'll go to my auth schema. I'll call it profile image. Profile image. Now profile image. Is it profile image? Type file except only image. Okay, I can put this one here so that I get only image. This except image only. The class name. This one error. I can just do this here. Error. Errors dot profile image. File image. This one here. This one here. Fine. Let's see. But the thing is, only one profile picture is allowed. Just a sec. If no profile picture, then what will happen? Yeah, I can do this. I can just do one thing. Okay. Okay. Heth Patel K7E. Hi Heth Patel, welcome to my stream, brother. Hi sir, hi sir. I want to do data science. Yeah, you can go for data science. It's in demand. I want to do okay. 9 AM games. Gaps ही कम करना पड़ेगा फिर तो. हाँ, that yeah, उसको देखते हैं. 9 AM games. Pheronix, are you using laptop cam? Yeah, I'm using laptop cam. Pheronix H. Ahit Patel. Hi sir, I want to do data science. Yeah, you can do data science. Learn Python first. 1ish669. भाई ट्यूटोरियल टिप्स भी अपलोड करना स्टार्ट कर दो. अच्छा, आई सी लाइक देखते हैं ट्यूटोरियल्स के बारे में, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू बिल्ड. मेरा एंड गोल है अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप और SaaS स्टार्ट करना. सो उसके अलावा अगर टाइम मिलता है देन आई ट्राई टू मेक अ ट्यूटोरियल. इज डेटा साइंस अ गुड? या डेटा साइंस इज अ गुड करियर. Tyroth 276 Abhishek. Hi Abhishek, welcome back to my stream. How are you, brother? Oh, there, okay. But the thing is, only one profile picture is gap ही कम करना होगा. Should expand. This is expanding. Maybe okay. In form, maybe I can give overflow. In form, should I give overflow in my form? Yeah, I can do it. Let's see. Form, last name, overflow, scroll. I'll go here. Not like this. Overflow. If I do overflow hidden here, HIDDEN, overflow hidden here. Something, what the fuck is that? Okay, let's see. First is double season. That's great भाई. गोल फोकस्ड हो बेटर है, बट जस्ट सजेशन दे रहा था. बट अगर करो तो अच्छा रहेगा आपके लिए भी और हमारे लिए भी. हाँ, आई ट्राई. फर्स्ट इश 669. Patel K7. I'm confused between software engineering and data science. People say what you love, but I don't know what I like. Then first try both. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ना, मतलब थोड़ा समुंदर में पैर रखो दोनों में एंड देखो कि किस में तैरने में मज़ा आ रहा है बेसिकली. थोड़ा डेटा साइंस का बेसिक्स देखो अगर उसमें इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, और देखो कि डेटा साइंस का एंड एंड गोल क्या होगा तुम्हारा, कि क्या बना सकते हो तुम डेटा साइंस में, तुम्हारा इनपुट क्या होगा और उसके वजह से तुम्हारे ऊपर क्या आउटपुट मिलेगा तुमको. वो रिसर्च करो. इफ़ यू कैन फाइंड दैट देन तुमको पता चल जाएगा तुमको वो करना है कि नहीं. एंड सेम विद वेब डेवलपमेंट और सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. Razo Beck, okay, just 1 minute. Hemant KC9825. What are you using for database? I'm using MongoDB. Hemant, and welcome to my stream, Hemant. Razo Beckett, what are you building? I'm building a full stack social media application using MERN and TypeScript. And welcome to my stream, Razo Beckett. Then 9am games. I think there is another way. I'll try to type fast. Okay. Study to code. Study. किस लैंग्वेज पर कर रहे हो आप? टाइपस्क्रिप्ट पर यूज कर रहा हूँ. Study to code. Welcome to my stream. Study to code. Dialogue. Single Next.js is also a good career. No, see, I feel that single Next.js is too, framework dependent. बाय चांस ऐसा हुआ कि फ्यूचर में नेक्स्ट जेएस को यूज ही नहीं कर रहा है, टैन स्टैक आ गया, देन तो तुम्हारा करियर काफ़ी बड़ा हिट ले लेगा ना. देन ट्राई टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट, फ्रेमवर्क इंडिपेंडेंट. लाइक जैसे मॉडर्न स्टैक सीख लो, एक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज है ना, बट नेक्स्ट जेएस के बस एक सिंगल टेक्नोलॉजी पे डिपेंडेंट है. सो लाइक नेक्स्ट जेएस सीखो, ऑल्सो यूज मर्न, क्योंकि बहुत सारी कंपनीज क्या करती है, नेक्स्ट जेएस बस फ्रंट एंड के लिए यूज करती है और बैक एंड पूरा खुद का बना रहता है कोई दूसरी लैंग्वेज में. Hemant K. Basically, both are interconnected. I would suggest to go with bachelor's in C and master's in DS. Okay. Then Razo Beckett, study to code Java Spring. First is 669. एंड भाई पाइथन स्टार्ट करना सोच रहा, बैकएंड पर तो सही पाथ रहेगा. हाँ, पाइथन क्या है ना कि कहीं पे भी वो काम कर जाता है, बैकएंड में भी हो जाएगा, डेटा साइंस में भी हो जाएगा. सो पाइथन इज गुड. लाइक पाइथन के लिए बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क जैंगो है, फास्ट एपीआई है, फ्लास्क है. देयर आर डिफरेंट बैकएंड फ्रेमवर्क्स फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, लाइक वेब डेवलपमेंट में भी आते हैं बैकएंड्स के. डेगन करन, बड़े भाई 23 here, just started with HTML first. I need a reality check because I'm not prepping for a job. Also, context of the stream. Hi, again, Karan. Welcome to my stream, brother. Basically, my goal is to build my own SaaS and start my own startup. So, uske liye I'm upskilling myself. I'm learning MERN stack and PERN stack. So, this is a project where I'm trying to build a social media application using TypeScript and MERN stack. So this is the context, and you are learning HTML. That is good. You learn HTML, then go for JavaScript, because Java, you should learn a solid programming language, and JavaScript is good. Hit Patel K7E. I want to be an AI engineer. That's end goal. Okay, if you want to be an AI engineer, there are three main things. You have to learn ML ops, machine learning, like how to deploy a machine learning model on cloud. Very important. You have to understand, like basic deep learning and everything. Like you have to learn how you can build a model and then use that model in an application and deploy it. That's the basic thing of AI engineer. And if you want to contribute to building a model, like build your own LLM, or you want to build your own you have to build application for computer vision and all, then you have to go deeply into, like deep learning, generative AI. You can go for, transformer model. Go deep into those things if you want to build your own models in future. 9am games, वो वेलकम टू कनेक्ट हब के ऊपर जो मार्जिन है फिर पैडिंग दिया है उसको कम करो, और फिर भी नहीं हुआ तो फॉर्म का डिव का गैप भी कम करना पड़ेगा, जो प्लेस अ फ्लेक्स टू योर क्रिएशन लिखा है वहाँ पे. ओके, आई विल डू दैट. 9am games, thanks brother, thanks for your efforts. I'll apply your suggestion right now. Heth Patel K7E. All engineering is my end goal. AI engineering is my end goal. Okay, that's fine. You can learn data science and then, basically learn frameworks like PyTorch. Then using PyTorch, learn how to build deep learning models. Learn different deep learning models using PyTorch. Try to build your own models. If you want to go deep, then you will understand how to build these things. Fast API is cool. Rezo package, yeah, Fast API is cool. Like it helps to build fast full stack AI applications with Python. First is, bro, आप प्लेस्ड हो कहीं? फर्स्ट इज मेरी जॉब थी, बट मैंने रिज़ाइन कर दिया अपने जॉब से. लाइक परसों ही मैंने रिज़ाइन किया. सो अभी मेरे पास, अभी आई एम नॉट वर्किंग, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड माई ओन स्टार्टअप. Hemant, Abhishek, you have completed a BTech. Yes, Hemant, I've completed my BTech. Hit Patel message right. Okay, Razo Beckett. Why I see number one after my name? Because you have been interacting with me. Maybe that's why. Like I think YouTube does this. Hit Patel. I mean, to be an AI engineer, should I do data science or software engineering? See, data science is basically working on data and using statistics, maths, and all the machine learning algorithms to derive pattern from those data and then try to build your own model on those data. That's the basic thing about data science. ठीक है? And like engineering के लिए एक बार मॉडल बन गया, वो मॉडल का यूज करके we will use in an application ना. So if you know how to build that application also, then you're a full stack AI engineer, right? 9 AM games, bro. Decide to retire soon. Why I should retire, brother? Feronic 7, LinkedIn. No, bro. I don't use LinkedIn. I'm done with LinkedIn. LinkedIn में लोग काफ़ी फेक होते हैं. मतलब फेक इन द सेंस कि लोग अपनी तारीफ करते हैं, छोटा छोटा कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट किया नहीं कि अपने आप को 30 मार खान समझने लगे. तो आई स्टे अवे फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन. रेजो बकेट. कीमी के 2.5 is crazy. कीमी. Who is कीमी? फर्स्ट इज 669. ऑल द बेस्ट भाई स्टार्टअप के लिए, फिर हम सबको हायर कर लेना. आई होप ब्रदर, आई होप लाइक इफ माई स्टार्टअप ग्रोज एंड आई नीड engineers, good engineers, obviously I try to hire good people. Nadeem M Sheikh 5. I have completed 12 completed to my I have 12 completed to. मैं कर सकता. तुम कर सकते हो, सीखने की कोई एज नहीं है, जब टाइम मिले तब सीखो. फेरोनिक्स. आईडी तो होगा लिंक्डइन का. हाँ, अभिषेक शर्मा नाम का आईडी तो है, काफ़ी दिन से खोला नहीं है. हेत पटेल K7E. When did you finish 12th and how many years did it take to learn all this? I completed my 12 back in 2019 और 2018. वैसे ही टाइम के अराउंड मैंने कंप्लीट किया था अपनी 12th. और इतना सीखने के लिए मुझे लग गए अराउंड लाइक MERN स्टैक तो अभी कुछ दिन पहले सीखना स्टार्ट किया है. उसके पहले आई वॉज वर्किंग विद स्प्रिंग बूट एंड जैंगो, लाइक ऐसे करके मैं सीख रहा था. तो लाइक आई हैव बीन कोडिंग फॉर अराउंड 4 to 5 years, लाइक ऑन माई ओन, बिल्डिंग माई ओन प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल. फेरोनिक्स 1. शादी कब कर रहे हो ब्रो? शादी का अभी तो पता नहीं. लाइक unless and until I reach my goal, my end goal, I am not looking to get married before I reach my goal. Because शादी के बाद काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आती है, तो आप रिस्क लेना कम कर देते हो. तो अभी मेरी रिस्क लेने की एज है, दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक. और शादी वादी करके वो रिस्क फैक्टर अभी कम नहीं करना है, तो उसके लिए शादी में अभी टाइम, आई डोंट नो, कोई प्लान नहीं है अभी तो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फिक्स दिस. रजिस्टर यूज़र फॉर्म. ओके, रजिस्टर पेज, screen flex, register page. If I remove this at screen, what will happen? Just if I remove this at screen, then this, okay, h screen, I gave it. Just a minute. Okay, maybe we can reduce the size, but the width will be same. फेरोनिक 7. 10th एंड 12th की मार्कशीट. 10th में मेरे इतने 9 CGPA थे, CBSE बोर्ड से हूँ मैं. और 12th में मेरे परसेंटेज थे 71.4%. एच पटेल K7E. भाई, यू आर माई इंस्पिरेशन, बट आई वुड से डेटा साइंस, नॉट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, बट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर फन. या थैंक्स ब्रदर, लाइक थैंक्स फॉर सेइंग दैट आई एम इंस्पिरेशन. इट मीन्स अ लॉट ब्रदर. And I would say data science, not software. Then if you want to go into data science, then go into it deeply, like understand the entire concept of data science, build your own models, try, like सबसे पहले PyTorch सीखो, numpy, pandas, ये सब सीखो. उसके बाद understand machine learning के बाद, after understand machine learning models, go into deep learning के बाद go for transformer, then transformer, understand how transformer works, how GPT works, then understand how you can build your own GPT. Then you can learn a lot using those things. Rahul MKD. Hello Rahul, welcome to my stream. Bro, I have completed MERN stack and built some project. Now I started learn DSA. Should I continue DSA or find some job? See, continue DSA, give 1 hour to DSA every single day, and you have built projects, you have built a strong resume, you deployed it, and you are putting the deploying link in your resume. Then you can start applying. Like what I do before I start applying, I build projects throughout the year. I build my resume, and then I start applying. And उसके साथ साथ I do DSA. Okay. Let's give it a minimum height. Okay, let's see. I'll copy this register page. This is my 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 register user form. This is my app. When I am getting errors in register page, it expands, and then there is a gap below the form, something like this. Let's see. Rahul, thanks bro, welcome Rahul. हेट पटेल के ओपी इन द चैट. एच पटेल के समझिए. अभिषेक भैया ओपी थैंक्स एच पटेल. हेत पटेल इश. लीड कोड कैसा है डीएसए क्वेश्चंस लगाने के लिए? लीड कोड सही है. पहले डीएसए का ना अभी एक तरीका होता है. क्या करो कि तुमको एक लैंग्वेज अच्छे से आता होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जावास्क्रिप्ट या पाइथन जिसमें तुम कंफर्टेबल हो. अब ना उसमें टॉपिक छोड़ो. जैसे स्ट्रिंग्स तुम कर रहे हो, पहले स्ट्रिंग्स का कंसेप्ट समझ लो, उसके बाद स्ट्रिंग्स के क्वेश्चंस लगाओ. अब स्ट्रिंग्स के क्वेश्चन मतलब इजी मीडियम, बस इतना ही करो ताकि कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड हो जाए. पैटर्न रिकग्नाइज करना आ जाओ कि अच्छा इस क्वेश्चन में मुझे ये वाला पैटर्न लगाना है. एक बार वो समझ में आने लगे ना, देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. देन एरे कर रहे हो, देन एरे में बाइनरी सर्च कैसे लगाते हैं, सॉर्टिंग एल्गोरिथम कैसे यूज करते हैं, स्लाइडिंग विंडो क्या होता है, टू पॉइंटर क्या होता है, पहले वो सब उसका कंसेप्ट समझ लो. उसके बाद क्वेश्चंस करो. अब क्वेश्चन जब तुम कर रहे हो, जब एरे भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो, जब पैटर्न समझ में कि अच्छा ऐसा टाइप के क्वेश्चन में ये पैटर्न यूज होता है, then move on to the next topic. Like I think this is the best way to do DSA. Abhishek bhaiya OP. Thanks. Hate Patel K7A OP in chat. Thanks. Nadeem Sheikh 5. By English बोलना आना चाहिए के. See, English is just a language. वो intelligence का प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना कि लोग समझते हैं कि इंग्लिश बोलने वाले इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, पहले से अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. बट नहीं, इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज. लोग इंग्लिश में भी गधे होते हैं, हिंदी बोलने वाले भी गधे होते हैं. ठीक है, आप बोल क्या रहे हो उस पर डिपेंड करता है ना. तो सबसे पहले एक कंसेप्शन, एक मिसकंसेप्शन हटा दो कि इंग्लिश बोलने वाले इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते तो वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. अब इंटरव्यू तुम दोगे तो ऑब्वियसली इंग्लिश, लाइक बेसिक इंग्लिश आना चाहिए ताकि यू कैन कम्युनिकेट. एंड अगर ये इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि अगर तुम्हारा जो कंपनी तुम ज्वाइन कर रहे हो वहाँ पे फॉरेन क्लाइंट्स होते हैं, तो फॉरेनर्स के साथ तुमको बात करने इंग्लिश आनी चाहिए. तो वो बेसिक इंग्लिश सीखना उतना टफ होता नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग बुक्स. लाइक दिन के 5 पेज पढ़ो, हर दिन पढ़ो, बस तुम्हारा इंग्लिश अपने आप इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. हेट पटेल सॉरी आई वुड नॉट स्पैम. अरे नो, सॉरी का क्या बात है यार इसमें. हेट पटेल नो यार, मैं कुछ आई डिड नॉट माइंड इट. इश वन सिग्नल. yes Patel, Abhishek bhaiya is goated, we all know. Thanks. Okay, what's happening? Each error message is conditionally rendered form empty space behavior. Okay, wrong error show for password. Okay, I'll fix it. Password, let's see the form schema. Password. Okay, I need to change this. Password password. Okay, solution, this mismatch, this is done. Fix, reserve space for error messages, best fix. Example, do this for, okay, I can do this. I can just add this one in each p tag. I'll go here, I'll go here, I'll go here, I'll go here. Where is it? P tag. I just put this here. Okay, minimum height 4. I'll just copy this. Again for password error. File picture error, we can do this. Now let's see. Now I'll come here. Now if we go, what? Same thing is happening. What's the difference here? Just a sec. Username, text, username, errors. This is happening. See, this. I need to do this on H screen. I can do minimum height. Register user page. Medium screen. Min height 800 pixel maybe. Let's see. Yeah, done. Now if I do error, but this is happening. Okay, let's see. 700 pixel minimum height. Okay, 750 pixel, 760. Let's see. Okay, I'll go here. Error, expand. Fantastic. Just give minimum height and we are good. Also, sorry, Abhishek, you are cooked. 9 a.m. games. Shadman Sakib 65642. Take love from Bangladesh. Hi Shad. Hi Shadman Shakib 5642. Welcome to my stream, brother. One first is 669. Mistyped. Okay. Fine, no issues. One first is 669. It's Heth Patel. I am from Kenya, by the way, Africa. Heth Patel. Welcome to my stream, Heth Patel. And I watch Code Basics and Shraddha Didi. That's nice. Name games. Once Abhishek Bhaiya said, आने दो हमको शासन में फिर रशियन बात देंगे रशन में. एक सेकंड क्या? 9 AM games. Once Abhishek Bhaiya said, आने दो हमको शासन में फिर रशियन बांट देंगे राशन में. गुड वन. अंशु 111X. फुल स्टैक में कंसिस्टेंट कितने टाइम लगेगा? अगर अच्छे से कर रहे हो मॉन स्टैक सीखने में तुमको 1 महीना लगेगा. अगर अच्छे से तुम कोई यूट्यूब में अच्छा प्लेलिस्ट फॉलो कर रहे हो और कंसिस्टेंट दिन में तुम 2 घंटा अपना टाइम दे रहे हो, 1 महीना लगेगा बेसिक सीखने में. उसके बाद तुम्हारे ऊपर है तुम प्रोजेक्ट्स कितना बनाते हो. जितना प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे उतना तुम्हारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा. फर्स्ट इज 669. फिर हर दिन राशन लूंगा. 9 AM games. But the scrolling is there, no? See, yeah, scrolling is there. But see, the हो क्या रहा है ना कि when I'm registering ना, it is taking extra space. So by default, I'm giving it this extra space. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Nadeem Sheikh. My friends have gone to give an interview and they are asked, have you completed your BCom? BCom, like why they asking for degree if it is related to tech field, then they should ask for BTech, I think. But if they are going for commerce stream jobs, then they will ask for BCom. Moviepedia N3GX. Is there job opportunity still in MERN? Yeah, I feel if you have skills, you can get job. Because the thing is, MERN stack will be the tech stack for future startups and future companies, because today's startups is going to be futures companies, right? So I think MERN jobs will be there, but I'm doing it for my own startup basically. Hey, Patel, after 12th, what was the goal? My goal was to do BTech. Actually, to be honest, I wanted to do research in physics because I love physics. I love that subject, and I wanted to do research and PhD in as a physicist. I wanted to be a physicist. Uh, Anshu, seriously, 1 month. Yes, Anshu, it will take time because there are lots of concept, and if you want to be good at it, you have to give time to yourself. So, oh yeah, just now let's fix this. This is my register user page. This is my register user form form register user form. I got a scroll bar in display. I want to remove it and show it only if there are errors and it needs space. Heath Patel K7E. Then what happened, sir? Actually, 12th, I did get into a university like UK की यूनिवर्सिटी बट स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिली थी तो फीस काफ़ी महंगा हो जाता देन आई ड्रॉप्ड इट तब मैंने नहीं किया क्योंकि फ़ीस की इश्यूज़ थी 12th में मेरी लाइक कॉलेज का वो यूके में स्कॉलरशिप नहीं था ना देन उसके लिए मैं नहीं जा पाया physics used in game development. Yes, physics is used in game development. 9 AM games, body overflow hidden. Okay, I'll see. 9 AM games. Let's see what solution we go for. Nadeem Sheikh 5. Everyone is commenting, but no one is subscribed to you. Yeah, okay. Like guys, if like, if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Give this on global CSS one. Last try. Okay, let's see. Current this. I am in Y auto. Let's see. If you want zero layout shift, you can standardize the error height. Extra pro tip, if the form itself grows large, wrap only in the form. This keeps the header fixed and only scrolls the form. Give me the full code. Give me the full code. Give me the full code. The 9 AM games. I have matcha. I have subscribed, sir. Thanks, Heath Patel. It means a lot. Heath Patel, thank you for subscribing. 9 AM games. Just go on global where you're writing margin earlier. Okay. YT digital second. Beginner starting Python's JS C language. Okay. YT digital second. Welcome to my stream, brother. Beginner. You can go for Python. Phoenix 7. What do you do for time pass or entertainment? टाइम पास के लिए मैं दिन में पॉइंट स्टैक सीखता हूँ अभी तो वो कर रहा हूँ पॉइंट स्टैक सीख रहा हूँ टाइम पास के लिए और कभी कभी लाइक सीरीज़ देख लेता हूँ टीवी सीरीज़ है जैसे बिग बैंग थ्योरी अभी देख रहा हूँ फर्स्ट इज 669 गुड नाइट भाई कल आता हूँ स्ट्रीम पर ऑल द बेस्ट वंस अगेन for your startup. Thanks first is 669 and do consider subscribing to my channel if you are new to my channel. And good night, bye. I'll see you in the next stream. 9 AM games. Body overflow hidden. Body overflow hidden. Let's try. Global CSS कहाँ है? Go global CSS. Index.css. App.css. Let's see. I'll go here in body. I'll do what? Overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. If I do this, then what is happening? Register a minimum height. I should remove minimum height then. Register page. Let's just for now remove this minimum height. Overflow hidden. I've done register. Oh no, same thing is happening. Okay, then remove this. Okay, GPT gave me the code. Okay, page fixed. Let's fix register page. What is happening? This is my register page. This is my register page. BG this min h screen, min h screen, min h screen. ओके मेन एच स्क्रीन, ये तो यहीं पे सॉल्व हो गया मेन एच स्क्रीन डाल के ही. मेन एच स्क्रीन फ्लेक्स मीडियम गैप 10 आइटम सेंटर ओवरफ्लो वाई ऑटो, ओवरफ्लो वाई ऑटो, ओवरफ्लो वाई ऑटो, overflow y. Just a sec, one more fix. This one, then gap 5. This is done. Then fix one. Same text one. This can be found. And after this, when you go here, register user form, and go to register user form. 9 AM games. AI must replace developers like me. No, brother, don't say that. Don't demotivate yourself. See, we all are learning. Nobody's perfect. And AI is just a tool to help us, right? Like, my goal is to build startup. I have built my backend. Like, front end is fine, but if AI can do it, and it's just helping me, so never say that AI should replace developers like me or you. No, like धीरे धीरे when you learn, when you build more projects, you will get better, right? So don't demotivate yourself like that. Nadeem Sheikh 5, bro, some people subscribe because of me. Oh, thanks Nadeem Sheikh, yeah, it means a lot brother, and welcome to my stream. Thanks a lot. Pheronic 7, और मैं टाइम और एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए यहाँ आया हूँ. Oh nice Pheronics, I am happy that this you find this entertaining. Moviepedia N3GX. Which skills should I have for placements? If you want placements as a software developer, pick a tech stack. First, pick a programming language, master it, like understand the basics. Then, pick a backend framework related to that tech stack. Like if you are going for JavaScript, go for MERN stack. Then learn React, Node, build projects, simple projects. And then deploy those projects. Use those link in your resume. Then apply, and understand the flow of the data, how data is flowing from front end to back end. Those things are very important. 9 AM game, just kidding, thanks man, just kidding, yeah, never demotivate yourself. 9 AM games, good to know you can handle this responses. Cheers to you, bye. Thanks brother, thanks 9 AM games. BMPS DSA from which channel? DSA, like I just did on my own, because when I was learning JavaScript, they were showing, I did JavaScript from Chai or Code, and they're only like when you find, for example, arrays, then you see DSA, these topics. I follow Striver sheet for DSA, like different topics that I need to learn. Then I learned those topics on my own. Okay, so register user form. This is my register user form. DSA, I do a live stream every day at this time. That's nice, brother. What are you trying to build? Are you building something? Okay, register handle submit forms here. This is on submit console.log data. Flex username we get. I should add comment also for my bit for username. Gap 1 text this username input and text white md border to this. Height 4. Okay, I'm giving a height text white p2 border rounded excel. P2 border rounded excel. Just a minute. BG transparent. Let's see what happens. BG transparent. What happened with BG transparent? Nothing happened. Okay, bg I'll go here. Then text. It's a min height. It should not min height. It should be height 4. Okay, if I do height 4, what is happening? I'm doing this. Height 4. Go here. Same thing. BG transparent. Height 4. Same thing. BG transparent. BG transparent. What does this do? BG transparent. What do you do? Okay, min height 4. It would be height 4. Same thing, same thing, same thing. BG transparent. BG transparent. Yes, bro, do you start your live at this time? No, I start my live after 10 mostly. After 10 p.m. BG transparent. This. Then this one 400. H minimum, no, just H4. H4. Cursor point, same. BG run, no, there's no BG run. H4, 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 man, H4, H4. Now I'll do this one. This, okay. Fine, this is done. Then what is happening? This is done. Just a sec. Okay. Rakshit, welcome to my stream. By the way, Nadeem Sheikh 5. Rakshit Harachu 2351. Com- Completed HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, when I try to do simple project like tic tac toe, I'm not able to do it by own. Any suggestion for beginner building basic project? Practice. Like you understand JS, you understand DOM manipulation with JavaScript, right? Now, before you build a complex app like a tic tac toe game, try to do basic things like press of a button, change the color of the background. If you are able to do this, then try to build a nav bar on your own, like static nav bar, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And once you do that, then try to build a basic dice random dice generator. Like a person will click on it and they will get like there will be an image of dice, and they will show this is the number, and if they get 0, game over, something like that. Start with simple projects, understand the logic, then move to complex projects. And when you create complex projects, break those complex projects into small portions, right? So you can do that. So once I do this, I need to give a padding. Padding, form. PB4. Anything? See, this is happening, but it is getting stuck at the bottom. Just 1 minute. So, just read here for just a sec. This happened, but here in my register form, just a sec, register page, PDF. Now if I give py4, now what is happening? Py4 register. Yeah, see, I'm getting this. Okay, it should be PB8. PB8. I'm giving PB8. Now if I register, yeah, now it's looking better. Fine. Now this is done. So this is done. Now one more, like when I'm doing this, I should not get an error on one profile picture is allowed, because this is it. Now if I go here in my auth schema, this is my auth schema. This is my auth schema. This is my register user form. Register user form. Profile image is optional. So if profile if so if profile image is not selected, then also it should not show error, right? Rakshit 2351, are you doing any job? I had a job. I resigned from my job because I want to focus on my startup and do it seriously. So I resigned. Okay. This line is the issue. Even when the final option you have found still pass an empty field which is not selected. So field off. Correct way to handle optional file input undefined or file less or zero. Fix optional defined files. Size of type. If you want a pro level polish version, files JPG, PNG, or WebP images are allowed. Okay. Are you doing? Parvez Akhtar MX3. Hi, sir. Good evening, sir. Hi, Parvez Akhtar. Welcome to my stream, brother. Where are you from? Nadeem Sheikh 5. Which company, bro? Bro, I was in DXC Technology, but I left it. Yeah. So, size, I think size I will not put. I'll just put this one define. Okay, my auth schema. This refine files, no files. File length is less than equal to one. Only one allowed. Then again there will be a refine dot refine files not files files dot length 0 or array. I'll put this one here. This one array dot includes files 0 dot type. After this, only JPG, comma PNG or WebP images are allowed. Okay, now let's see here. Over here, if I see, yeah, correct. Now this is working. Gautam Malial 17739. Hi bro. Hi Gautam. Welcome to my stream, brother. Sir, I am from Assam, but currently I am staying in Bangalore, sir. I have one question that is belong to non-IT background. I belong to non-IT background. I want to work in software company. Now, what skills are required to get a job? Okay, Parvez, uh, what you can do is pick first thing you need to do is learn a programming language. Choose between Python, JavaScript, or Java. Then, whatever programming language you choose, for example, if you choose JavaScript, first thing, master JavaScript, like know it really well. Then pick a backend framework like express.js. Then pick a database and learn the concepts like how to create REST APIs, and then how to store data in database, how to retrieve data from database. Learn that, understand Node.js. I like different concepts of backend uh, development. And then after you go into backend, this is done. Now learn Java, HTML, then CSS. After you do that, then learn React. If you do this much, after that, build projects using the technologies that you learned and deploy it on servers so that other people can use it, and put that deployed link in your resume. And when companies see that in resume, they will have a good impression on you and they will try to hire you. Heth Patel, let me tell you one thing, sir. You shall become the most successful guy. Thanks, Heth Patel. It means a lot. Heth Patel K70, I'm grateful I'm talking with you now because after some time you will be very successful and it will be hard to contact you. Heth Patel, thanks a lot, brother. Thanks for saying such kind words. Parvez Akhtar, MX3 1S. Thank you, sir. Welcome, Parvez. I'm happy to help. Okay, I'll register. This is working. Now let's do one thing. Now we'll connect to backend. Now we'll connect to backend. For that, I need to install Axios. Clear npm I Axios. Bro, how much was your salary? It was less than what taxpayer needs to pay per year. It was like that. I cannot go into much detail, at least for next 3 to 4 months. After that, I can be very clear about it. Gautam, hi bro. I am a front-end developer with 4 years of experience and I want to switch to backend. Which one will be better, Express or Python? See, if you already know JavaScript, it will be easier for you to learn Express. But if you want to if you want to explore and learn a new programming language, first, then you can learn Python, and then you can, learn backend with Python. But if you want a faster route, you can start with Express. But if you have time and you want to learn a new programming language, you can go with Python. Nadeem Sheikh, okay, bro. Yeah, Nadeem. Axios is installed. Heth Patel K70, nice answer. Yeah, Heth. Front end. Axios is installed. So first I create a new folder as services. SRC, here I create a new folder as services. Right. Services. I create here auth dot service dot ts. Auth dot service dot ts. I'll create this. Now what we need to do is I'll run this npm run dev. Now first I'll do one thing is that inform this is okay, this everything's fine. I'll go here, this is fine. Okay, I'll come here. Now if I send data test user1 email test user1 at the rate gmail.com, password test user1, file is not chosen. Let's see if I click on inspect, if I go here and if I click on register, what is happening? Image file list. Okay, profile image. Okay, now if I select a profile image, a simple profile image, I'll select this image. Now if I go here, I'll click on this, I'll click on console, Again, if I click on register, what is happening? File list, profile image, file list, profile image, file list, 0, 0. Okay, this is happening. Name, unmodified, name, fine. Okay. Aura level answer. Okay, Heth Patel. Mohammed Ehsan MG 9K Fast API. Yeah, that is a good framework, Mohammed. And welcome to my stream, Mohammed. Udayati Udayati Q47. I have given a comment on one of your video just now. Just do check it when you're free. Yeah, sure, I'll check it, Udayati. By the way, welcome to my stream. Heth Patel K70. Bro has all the lines including hairline, jawline, except beard line. Just jokes, sir. Yeah, yeah, it's a good one. Mohammed Ehsan MG M4 G9K. Why are you manual coding using cloud code and better your own programming skill and better product? Yeah, Mohammed, I know I can do that, but I'm trying to learn now because my end goal is to build my own SaaS and startup, and this is my personal project. And I want to use AI just for learning in this project. I don't want to be dependent on AI in this project. That's why I want to, I'm using AI very less in this project, just for debugging, or like debugging, I'm using AI mainly. Parvez Akhtar, where are you from, sir? I'm from West Bengal, India. Parvez Akhtar, just I subscribed to a channel, Sarji. Thanks, Parvez. Thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. Okay, so handle submit. I'm getting this. Okay, I'm getting this. Now what will happen? I want to handle it in a very like production ready way. So I'll go to just a sec. Data console dot log. I'll do one thing. Just a sec. This is my front end code. This is my register user form. This is my register user form. Abdul Rashid Talai. Hi. Hello, M. Abdul Rashid Talai. Welcome to my stream, brother. Heth Patel. Good night, sir. Good night, Heth. And thanks for coming to my stream, brother. This is my registered user form. This is my registered user form. Fine. I have installed Axios. This is my auth service. Auth. I have installed Axios. I want to write production level code. I have given this information. Gautam Amalyal. Bro, what is the best way to learn backend? I know basics of Express and Mongo. Should I directly start building any project, or should I first get into learning the framework? See, Express, Mongo, right? So I'm assuming that you know about middlewares in Express and all those things and routes and everything. So if you know all these things and learn about authentication, and then try to build a basic simple project called to do app. Build a full stack to do application end to end using MERN stack, and in that application you will learn a lot. You will 90% of your full stack development you will learn from that to do application. Once you do that, then you can build any application. Just whenever something new comes, you can always learn that technology, right? Pheronix 7. Bro, you are 6 years older than me, but I have beard, but you don't. Bro, I shaved it. I shave it. Pheronix. टांग खींच रहे हो यार. Okay. I want to write production level code. This is my backend. Controller is this one. Let's give simple controllers. src controllers. User controller. This is my user controller. This is the route. Routes. Backend API is HTTP localhost 4000. Again forgot. It was 4000. Yeah, it was 4000. 4000 slash API slash v1. I want to write production level Axios code and also handle errors properly. Now let's see, what do I get? Something positive 6911. Bro, what should I be knowing to get an internship by end of April? I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and doing DSA. I'm currently in 6th semester. Learn React.js. If you learn React.js and build good projects even without backend, you will get good internship as a front-end developer. Nadeem Sheikh 5. Good night, bro. Good night, Nadeem. Thanks for coming to my stream. Udayati, if you have a Geo SIM with 5G unlimited data packs, you can have 1.5 years of Gemini subscription free, and Gemini responses are much more reliable than ChatGPT. And it takes time, but they're good. Yeah, I'll consider that. I don't have a Geo SIM right now. Like, thanks for your information, Udayati. Gautam Malayal 7739. Thanks, bro. Welcome, Gautam. Udayati. And you can pronounce Uday as my name. No need for whole username. Okay, okay, Uday. Thanks for coming to my stream, Uday. Yeah. Create centralized Axios instance. Create src lib axios.ts. Fine. Yeah, this is what I was trying to do. I remember that I need to create a lib folder and Axios instance lib src lib. I'll just close this app main.ts. I'll close this auth schema. I'll close this. Oh yeah. Axios auth lib, then inside lib I'll create axios.ts. Bobby Rajay Yadav 2003. Hello, bro. Hello, Bobby. Welcome to my stream, brother. Where are you from? Axios. Import Axios from Axios. Const API equals axios.create and go here. Then backend base URL is I'll import it. I created constant folder, right? Where is it? Utils, constants. I imported this. I'll import this one. Where is it? Import backend URL. v1 .env. This is my .env. v1 no slash. How do you want to find backend URL? I got the backend URL. Base URL. Just a sec. Okay. I'll do this. Where is it? .env. Yeah, let's make it into this. And where is the page? Constants. This base URL as string. Let's add as string here. It will be a string. I'm not doing this. Yeah, backend URL with credentials true. Headers. I'll do headers will be application/JSON. Headers will be an object, just this one here, except That's my application JSON. Okay. Aim Zord Gaming. Bro, I'm learning Python right now. Which YouTube channel is good? Python, for Python, there is, for Python, which, Python, I don't remember properly because I was learning Python like randomly on YouTube. Like there are lots of tutorials. Just pick one tutorial for around one that has a length of 1 hour or 2 hour. I think that will be fine. Okay. Bobby from Indore, bro. Yeah, thanks, Bobby. Thanks for joining this stream. Something positive. Good to see you building, man. I am also learn and build to get that internship. Yeah, thanks. Something positive. Thanks for this, comment. Uday, I'm here for you, bro, because I have no interest in Mongo, Express, Node, because I have interest in Spring Boot and I create backend with it. But you are perfect, buddy. Keep going if someone like you. Thanks, Uday. Thanks for using such wise words for me, brother. Also, create project with Spring Boot. Just let me know. Like I have worked with Spring Boot. Like in my previous job, I was working with Spring Boot. Pheronix 7. And if you ATSM, you get Perplexity Pro. Yeah, thanks, Pheronix. Yeah, I know. Ted Waves. Ted Waves. Thanks, Ted Waves, for joining the stream. Hi. Hey, I'm new to this channel. Are you an employee or a freelancer? Neither. I'm trying to build my own startup. So that's why I'm trying to, learn new skills. My end goal is to build my own SaaS and startup. And welcome to my channel, Ted Waves. बॉबी ब्रो एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज एंड कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. मैं BCA 6 सेम में हूँ एंड अब मुझे इस मेरा शायद प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. मुझे ये बेसिक स्मर्न आने लगा था बट अभी मैं ओके शायद प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. मुझे ये बेसिक स्मर्न आने लगा. अच्छा, okay, Bobby, no issues. Keep upskilling yourself, keep learning new skills, and keep building projects. Even if company, like तुम्हारे college में, if you are not getting company or placement, you can build your resume, you can build projects, deploy it, and use the deployed project in your links, use the deployed link in your project, and try applying offline. If you have the skill to build end-to-end product or a full stack application, then you will get hired. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is a Java backend framework, basically. Like MERN, we have MERN stack and we have Django. Similarly, for Spring Boot, for Java, we have Spring Boot. R Ari Joshi 749. Bro, I've completed my BTech. And welcome to my stream, Ari Joshi 749. Application. Okay, this is done. Then global response error handler. API dot interceptors dot response dot use this one. Then it will take a callback. Response error const message equals error dot response dot data question mark dot message or error dot message. Okay, we did this. Or simple message, something went wrong. Fine. Then after this we return promise dot reject object. It will take an object status error response status message error, this one, then export default API. Fine, I did this. Okay. What do you do for a living? Pheronix, right now I'm trying to build my own startup, and that's it. And yeah, I had a job, I left my job, so right now I'm just focused on building my startup and SaaS. Okay. Shari 000. Hello, brother. Hello, Shari. Welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Ari Joshi. What do you do now? Are you a freelancer? No, I had a job. I left my job. I resigned, and now I'm trying to build my own startup. Uday, good night, bro. See you next time. Yeah, Uday, I'll see you in the next stream. Thanks for joining this stream, brother. Shari 000. कितना कंप्लीट हो गया ऐप? बैकएंड कंप्लीट हो गया है. अभी हम लोग फ्रंट एंड में काम कर रहे हैं. लाइक फ्रंट एंड में मैंने वैलिडेशन बना लिया है, लॉगिन और रजिस्टर पेज हो गया है, वैलिडेशन भी हो गया है. अब हम लोग फ्रंट एंड से डेटा बैक एंड में भेज रहे हैं. ओके. उदय, योर टाइपिंग स्पीड इज़ क्वाइट गुड ब्रो. थैंक्स उदय. वो प्रैक्टिस का प्रोजेक्ट बना बना के टाइप कर करके आदत हो गया है. फेरोनिक्स ब्रो, व्हाट यू डू फॉर अर्निंग? आई एम नॉट अर्निंग राइट नाउ. Renova Digitals. Hello, brother. Hello, Renova Digitals. Welcome to my stream. M. Abdul Rashid Talal. How much word per minute it would be? I have no idea. Renova Digitals. How are you doing? I'm fine, Renova Digitals. How are you? Ari Joshi. How can I contribute in your project? I have few months left before I graduate and start with my job. Right now, like I'm trying to learn on my own. Like if I'm trying to build my startup and if my startup grows and I need more developers or new people, you can connect with me on Instagram and we can talk if I try to get new developers. But right now this is a personal project, and like you can see the code from my GitHub. If you want to use this code, you can get the code from GitHub. My GitHub link is in the description or in the about section of this video in this YouTube channel. फेरोनिक्स, ओके बाय एंड सो जा भाई. फेरोनिक्स यार थोड़ा देर में ये जस्ट बैकएंड को कनेक्ट कर लूँ, देन आई ट्राई टू स्लीप. फेरोनिक्स, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस स्ट्रीम ब्रदर. शारी, ऐप का नाम क्या रखे हो? ऐप का नाम कनेक्ट हब है. अभी ये फाइनल नेम नहीं है, ये जस्ट अभी की है ये नेम. ओके, सो वी डू दिस नाउ. इफ आई गो हियर, ये हो गया. देन वाई दिस प्रोडक्शन हो गया. फाइन, क्रिएट एन API auth layer. API.auth. Okay, I can rename services. I'll close this. Axios is there. Services, front end, SRC, services. I can rename it to API. Rename it to API auth.api.ts. Yeah, auth.api.ts. Then we go here, import API from here. I'll import API, then import register user schema. Register user form data from here. ब्रदर, मैंने भी कोडिंग सीख ही नहीं है, कहाँ से सीखूँ? हेल्प मी. ओके ब्रदर, फर्स्ट पिक वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज उठाओ, लाइक इट कैन बी पाइथन, जावास्क्रिप्ट और जावा. एंड पहले प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज मास्टर करो, उसके बाद एक बैकएंड टेक्नोलॉजी जो वो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में ही बना हुआ है, लर्न दैट. स्माइल प्लेइंग्स पूरी ही कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो भाई. नहीं ब्रो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोड. लाइक अगर ये बाद में मैं करूँगा फ्यूचर में जब मैं खुद का SaaS बनाऊँगा, बट अभी यहाँ पे मैं अपने कंसेप्ट थोड़ा क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए अभी कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. AI से आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न ऑल्सो, सो लाइक डायरेक्ट कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे तो कोड बाद में समझने में दिक्कत हो जाएगा, तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू यू नो कोड समझ के थोड़ा देन आई एम ट्राइंग टू टाइप. Register user will create a function export const register user. It will be an async function and it will be data will be which one, register user form data of this type, this type. Then we'll do try catch async. Just 1 minute. Yeah, we should use try catch. Why are we not using try catch? Okay, we'll use try catch there. Fine. Const form data equals new form data. Form data equals new form data. Oh, I have to import it as types, right? Same issue. Okay. Where is it? Register is a form. Register is a form components. Register is a form. Import type. Just have to use this type. Okay. Form data. Then form data dot append. Basically, form data, I'm just appending the values. Fine. I'll have the username will be form data dot username, right? Just a sec. I'll come here. I'll do this. I'll go here in console. I'll see what is the data. Test user1 gmail.com password. Test user1. Choose the profile image. Okay. Password, profile image, file list. Okay, I'm getting file list, profile image, file list, object. Okay, fine. I'll keep this. Okay. I'll come here, form data dot append. There we go. Form data dot append. Form data dot append. Form data dot append. After username, we'll have email. Data dot email. Then form data dot append. After email, have the password. Data dot password. Yeah, fine. If data dot profile image and data dot profile image length, image dot length is greater than 0, form data dot append profile image comma data dot profile image 0. Fine, got it. Then const response equals await API dot post request slash users slash register. I'll pass the form data. I'll pass this headers, a multi-part form data, content type multi-part slash form data. Fine, this is done. Then return response dot data, right? Yeah, fine. Find support works clearly. Okay. Shobit Nautial 812. Hi Shobit, welcome to my stream, brother. Hi, can I know how many years of experience do you have in this MERN stack? MERN stack I learned 1 month back only, so not much experience. Okay, response dot data. But I have I know I worked with Spring Boot and Django, so I know why I was able to learn this so quickly is because I know Django and Spring Boot. I worked with those framework, so I know how HTTP requests work, how front end and client communicate with each other. So it just in Munstack I had to learn how to build the REST APIs and every other things. So yeah, it was that is why it was easier for me to learn. Return and update your register user form this year. Register user form is here. Register user form. This is on submit. Yeah. See here we are using try catch. That is why we did not use there. Fine. User form. Put it here. Try catch. Set loading. Server error. I'll go const server error / set server error equals use state string or null. By default it will be null. Find server error and loading set server error. Then const loading set loading equals use state false. Okay. Rahul MKD, bro, I had another question. I was created project I a lot, बट फिर भी जब न्यू प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करता हूँ तो ट्यूटोरियल कंसेप्ट को समझना पड़ता है. इज दिस नॉर्मल और मोर प्रैक्टिस टू डू? सी व्हाट आई डू, या यू नीड मोर प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो, बट सी कोड किसी को ना याद नहीं रहता है, ठीक है? इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. रट्टा मारना तो है नहीं, हम लोग को कोड समझना है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई डू, जैसे कुछ भी, फॉर एग्जांपल जब मैं मर्न सीख रहा था तो बेसिक रेस्ट एपीआईज की कोड का ना मैं गिटहब बना के रखता हूँ. गिट में मैं रख देता हूँ. यहाँ से आप कुछ भी फ्लो समझना है तो सीधा कोड देख के एक बार में फ्लो याद आ जाता है कि अच्छा ऐसे 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 होगा. तो आप बेसिक रेस्ट एपीआईज बनाओ, एक टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, उसका कोड गिट में डाल दो, और नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर में कुछ भी एप्लीकेशन आप बनाओगे, कंसेप्ट तो सबका सेम रहेगा ना, बस तरीका डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. तो आप वो रिपोजिटरी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, रिपोजिटरी देखो, वहाँ से कुछ कोड समझ में आ जाएगा. दैट इज़ हाउ आई डू. ओके, सो विल गो हियर, सेट लोडिंग false, and go here, then this system, then submit. I'll do this. Set loading to true. First I'll do this one. Set loading to true. Set server error to null. Alright, then const response equals await register user from API. If I'm making it, it should be async. Register user, I pass the data. I pass this data, console dot log registered response. Why did I get this reset form? Reset. Why did I get reset? Where is reset? Okay, reset is here. Reset. Reset. Then I'll do console log. Uh, or reset. You reset the form and catch error of type any set server error dot message, and finally I'll do set loading to false again. False. Yep. Now if I go here, register, registering, it should be loading, and disabled when loading. Let's see, moment of truth. First I'll go to my MongoDB compass. Rahul MKT, thanks bro, thanks a lot. You are the first guy who is answering my this kind of question. Yeah, see, I understand, like I like to help, and I understand, like when I was learning I had lots of questions, but unfortunately like I was not able to get so many answers, so I try to help as much as I can. Okay, so this is okay. So test user 5, there are 5 here. Now let's create one user, test user. Now for just a sec I'll go to my Cloudinary also, just to check if Cloudinary. Cloudinary, continue. Cloudinary, I'll see my assets here. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, let's see what is happening right now. My backend is working, my backend is running, my front end is running fine. I'll come here. Now I just fill the form. Test user, how many users? Test user 6 I can create. Test user 6 I can, yes. Test user 6, test user 6 @gmail.com. Abhishek Kumar BE7TX. Hello Abhishek, welcome to my stream. Bro, why the hell are you using ChatGPT chat instead of using the agent? See, because I am trying to learn, and I'm trying to not build this application entirely using AI. I'm writing the code on my own, and if I'm getting any error, then I'm using GPT just for debugging the code. Here I'm trying to learn and understand the code because my end goal is to build my own startup and my own SaaS. And here I'm right now trying to improve my skill and make this project, and I want to learn the code, understand the code. So that's why I'm not using the AI agent, and I'm just using the GPT, Chat GPT, for debugging the code, and I'm coding it on my own. Okay, password. Play Zero T9. This app, long video sharing app like YouTube. No, this is like a social media application, full stack social media application. And welcome to my stream, Play Zero T9U. Okay, test user 6. Just a minute, I'll type it properly. TEST user 6. I'll do this. Put this image. Now we have the moment of truth. I'm expecting error. I'll register. What is the error? 404 not found. 404 what? 404 not found. What not found? Did the API get the request? Backend get any request? What not found? Just a minute. Auth API, auth API, auth API, API, console.log, API. I'm using the API. I'll go here. API. I'll go here. Import API from lib. I'll go here. Axios. Okay. Const API. I'm doing this. Just a sec. Backend URL. Backend URL as string. Can I do this? Here, register user form. What is the issue here? Why am I getting yellow? Server error. Set server error. Play Seru T9U message retracted. Okay, just a sec. What is the error? Post HTTP 5 user. Okay, 5173. Why am I getting 5173? Axios.env 4000. I'm using 4000, right? 5173. Just a sec. Backend URL. This one. Backend URL. Constants. Where's my constants? What you use backend? Base or AWS Cloud? For backend, I have built it using MERN's express.js, and for deployment, I think I'll go for DigitalOcean. Backend URL is 4000. Logo 4000. Where's my constants? CCC constants. Backend URL. Just a minute. Backend URL. Just a sec. I'll just console.log backend URL. I'll just do it. And here I'll go. I'll complete this. Again, I'll send. Undefined. Okay, so I'm not getting the backend URL. Okay, where is it? Constants import it import our meta.env backend URL. If I remove this, then what is happening? Console.log constants here, auth API backend URL. I'll do like this. Let's do like this. Check your .env file. Backend URL. I'm using this backend URL. Where's my constants? Backend URL. This Axios. Just a sec. If I go here, API here, backend. Now again, if I go here and if I send the request, what do I get? Backend URL undefined. Fine. Backend URL undefined. So if I go here and in my Axios, and instead of this, if I just 1 minute, backend URL, I can type the backend URL, right? Yeah, I can type the backend URL here. Or let's do import dot meta dot env dot backend URL comma Now constants. Mark API. If I go here instead of this, if I console.log this thing, where is it? This thing. Let's see if I do it here. Now the API. If I go here, let's see. Now let's see what happens. I'll do this. Network. Do this. There's a 404. Undefined. Okay, I think I have to type only Axios. Let's see. Uh, this is my code. What is it? Axios.ts lib slash axios.ts. अरे यार, this is my code. Lib slash axios.ts yes. API slash auth dot api.ts. This is my .env. This is my .env. This is my .env. I am getting this error. What is the error? Good news, your XML backend logic is mostly correct. Minus XU is not using backend URL, you're sending request front-end dev server. Root cause you are using wheat. I'm using my variable wheat. This is undefined in the log print. Okay, it will be wheat underscore backend underscore URL. Okay, wheat underscore backend underscore URL. Wheat underscore. Then I can just use backend URL here. Backend URL here. Backend URL. Constants here, and here also. Just let's do backend URL. Now if we go here, test user 6 test user 6 test user 6 here, choose a file, done. First I'll check in my MongoDB any error. Art as a file. Okay, this is the last image. Refresh it. Nothing here. Anything here? No, nothing here. I'll go to my front end. Profile pic is chosen. I'll go to network. I'll send register 1. Okay. Test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, this is now let's do this. Network 1, 2, 3. So what the fuck? Okay, let's see. 100 packet URL. Import dot meta dot env dot Vite backend URL, and here Vite 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 backend URL, Vite backend. Okay, I have to restart it. I cannot restart it. Fine, I'll restart it. Constants. Okay. Import dot meta dot env dot Vite backend URL. I'll just stop. Clear npm run dev. Fresh start. Now if I go here, it should be refreshed. It must be refreshed. Network. Just a sec. I'll go here. Test user 6. Test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. Sir, okay. Test user 6. Go here. I'll add this. Now if I go here, network. Now let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I think this is done. Let's see. Test user 6 profile image. Test user 6 profile image. Yeah, we did it. Correct. Yeah. Where's the fucking image? Yeah, here is it. Yeah, it's working. Fine. Alright, so this was the main issue. If this was the main issue, then can I do it with again my backend URL? Backend URL. Go here. Backend URL. My constants and Vite. Let's go backend URL. I restart. Clear npm run dev. Now it should work. Now if I come here, I'll go to this page. Test user 6 has been created. Now let's create test users 7. Test user 7. Test user 7 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 7 image. This which image? Let's have this image. Open. Spinner. React spinners. Spinners. npmi react spinners. I'll come here just a sec. React spinners. npm run dev. We did this. npm run dev react spinners. So install it. Each loader has their own default property. You can override their default by passing props. Each loader import. Okay. Clip loader. Let's create a component. Frontend src component author. Create a folder. General component general. Just name it general and create new file. Spinner.tsx. RAFCE spinner. I'll just import this one. import this one, clip loader. Just return this one, spinner, clip loader. Fine. Now if I do this, if the loading, if it is loading, I will show here spinner. Just a minute, I'll check. Now just make loading equals true. For now, let's just make it true. Let's see what I get. Yeah, I get this, but I need the small. I need is spinner. What are the properties? React color size. CSS properties from React. Set color. This. Size. I can pass size also. Size 50. No, this is too much. Size not 10, 15 maybe. 15. What if I do 20? That does not change. 18. 19. 18 is fine. If I don't, okay, just a sec. If I don't make it, if I make it false, what is the default? Default is this. Make it true. In 20, 18, 16, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 is perfect. Okay, so if I go here, it will be false, right? So which user did I create now? Just the final two test left. Test user 6. I'll go here. Test user 7. Test user 7 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 7. This image, is it this one? I'll use this one. I'll go this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something happened. Let's see. Test user 7. Test user 7. Okay. Image. Okay. Yeah, this is working. Let's create one more user, and now I'll use React Hot Toast because I need the notification also, right? React Toast. React Toast. I'll install this. Install. Dev. Now what do I need to do there? Mention toast container. Okay, in app. Toast container. Where's my app? That's my app. I'll come here. Go to toast container. Toast container. I'll do toast dot success your I'll just say account created successfully. Server error. I'll just say toast dot error dot message. Now let's see. I'll go here. Test user 8 test user 8 at the rate gmail.com. Do test user 8 without this one. Account created successfully. This is working fine. Let's create now. Let's deliberately give an error. Test user 8 test user 8 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 8 user with this email or username. Fine. Okay, so this is done. I think this much is fine for today. I'll go to GitHub. Just a second. My Git ignore. Did I mention frontend and test tracking.env? No, it is not tracking.env. Fine. I'll go to my this one. I'll commit all this thing. Let's see what AI message do I get. And implemented login or commit, then push. Now if I go here in my this is done, this. Now if I go here, where is it? Where's my GitHub? Where's my GitHub? I will go here, repositories, non-social media application, front end, then just one sec. This one, others, pages, login page, components created, auth page component, register user form. Okay, so we are communicating with the backend. We established the connection and we handled the error perfectly. Fine. Okay, so this is done. Yeah, today I learned a lot because this Axios, uh, first time I've written a production grade code like this. Okay. So, all right, everyone. Thanks for watching this stream. And if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care and bye.